Last year, Red Velvet appeared on NBC's Idol Radio to promote their first hit of 2019, Zimzalabum. At the time, everyone went crazy for Irene visuals in a simple outfit with her hair tied back, as well as her impressive dancing skills. But recently, fans noticed a new point of interest in one of the phantoms from that day. During the show's recording, Irene was seen sneezing, or at least trying to. When the sneeze didn't quite come to the surface, Irene suddenly looked up at the ceiling for several seconds, as if in a trance. And not long after, she managed to successfully get the sneeze out. The clip of Irene depicts a strange phenomenon known as the photic sneeze reflex. This genetic condition causes people to sneeze when they see bright stimuli, such as the sun. In Irene's case, it seems like her sneeze was triggered by looking at one of the ceiling lights. While many people with the condition find it a nuisance, Irene managed to use it to her advantage. According to research, around 1/5 of the population is affected by photic sneeze reflex. Not only is Irene a rare beauty, she also has a rare sneezing ability too.